Hello everyone again, welcome to this new supply and demand video analysis. I'm going to deep dive into price action and the power of supply and demand imbalances. And I'm going to use a very important American company, Expedia Group. And maybe you know this company, you have booked some flights or trips or getaways. It is one of the most important online travel agencies together with Booking.com. And well, I wanted to point out something about this American stock, Expedia, using the bigger time frames and some price action tips, which might be quite obvious to you now that I explain it. But many people don't even, know this, or they won't even look at this bigger time frame. So we've got the monthly time frame here on Expedia Stock. And what happens here? Look at this impulse here that happened during 2022. First April, and then it ended at in the middle of June 2022. So the rally has taken about 31 bars. So that means 31 months, more than 2 years. So the stock has rallied for 2 years. It's been quite bullish during 2022, 23, 24. And now that we are in March 2025, the reaction is happening as expected, because this is a very strong imbalance made of a very strong impulse, several consecutive extended range candlestick. The candlestick bodies here, price action is very strong over there. And after such a long time, it just hit the level, supply level, this is not resistance, at $195. And now you can see bearish price action, quite clear bearish price action that is pushing Expedia Group stock in the monthly time frame to lower, at least to these areas over there where we should be managing our short positions. These supply levels in the bigger time frames, the bearish price action, you can use it for, if you are a stock option trader, to trade option stock strategies. Bearish, of course, you can sell premium, you can use various strategies, but always to go short all the way down, because Expedia is quite bearish together with hundreds of other stocks, because the major American indexes are being, have a very, have been selling off for quite some time, and it's trying to pull, they are trying to pull back to bigger time frames, demand levels on the monthly and even higher. So that's helping stocks like Expedia to drop as expected. So now that you know that Expedia is dropping on the monthly time frame, it's time to start looking at the smaller time frames. And when you go to the daily time frame, look at this. I mean, these strong impulse, the bullish gaps are usually filled, okay? And they are great to buy or sell in the direction of that gap. This is a bullish gap, so you could say, oh wow, if price drops down there, probably you will have the EMA cross up. If you are using EMAs, the Bollinger Band will be pierced. It will be oversold using oscillators and indicators, and then you will say, okay, I'm gonna try. And no, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Well, because we have a very strong area of supply that was created 2.5 years ago. And you might say, why is price reacting to that area, which is like 2.5 years ago? Why so old? Sorry. Well, because it is a very strong supply level. I mean, you just don't need, there is no time restraint for this. I mean, you can look back as many years as you want. These imbalances, strong imbalances, usually play out really well. Okay, and you can see now the bearish price action on Expedia stock. So in the weekly time frame, you can see very strong rally over there. This is where the bullish gap happened on the daily time frame, and it was just eliminated, not even a pause. I mean, it didn't even think about it. You could say, okay, price drops down there, and you can see like a couple candlesticks there, and then starts running a little bit. No, it just didn't even pause. It just broke it. Okay, so what happens is that in the following weeks, two things could happen. The sell-off could continue until this price area is reached around $127 per share, or it could start to base a little bit and then pull back to this area where we could start thinking of going short again. But now, if you are unaware of this imbalance, you are missing the train, okay? Because you are late. But this is a great obstacle, not obstacle, but a brick wall. This is like a Tetris piece, okay? That is saying, okay, breaking me is not going to take some time. It's going to take price to get away from me and then attack me. Because right now, it's creating a very solid bearish price action with support of a very strong supply level on the monthly. So price action wise, this is a nice step, okay? And we are expecting price to keep on dropping. So let's hope that we can take advantage of this movement on the way down using CFD for stocks, contract for difference, and smaller time frames stock strategies, supply and demand too, obviously, and other strategies, intraday, short term, but bearish. Option strategies, but bearish. Selling premium, well, if you're an option trader, you know what to do. And hopefully this will continue to drop. If you like this video and you like this kind of price action tips and supply and demand, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be glad to continue sharing new analysis and helping you. Have a great day.